Where are these children? Kake? Leather? Abubankri brothers! Where are you boys coming from? And what do you have in your mouths? Kake and leather, what are you hiding in your mouths? Okay, remain as you are. Don't move your legs. Don't move your mouths. Until I come back. If you choke back, you are in trouble. You will only invite the wrath of my bulala. So remain as you are. I'm coming. Mouse! Open! Open!
Pale, after you don't satisfy.
How come? If a no man learns to run dangerous run, then the hunter will learn to shoot dangerous shots.
Papa, I don't understand.
I am your father, and I know more than you do. So what were you hiding in your mouths before the arrival of my torchlight?
Pale, I'm not eating anything, no. Kaki, we eat anything? No.
Okay, I'm going to smell your mouths. Open! Open! Your mouths smell ayabash, maggi, crayfish,
3.
and indomie.
But I'm not shopping Indomie, oh. Let us shopping Indomie. No.
You didn't eat indomie.
But I'm not shopping Indomie.
Kake na leather. You didn't eat any indomie.
Yes, Pale.
Good. Wait for me. Let me go and check the indomie in the kitchen.
Let them go up for Baloko. Abi? You saw me, Abi. You be idiots. Oh,
Mary. See, if you know wetin good for you for this house, make you carry this groundnut go sell am. Otherwise, no food for you for this house. So carry am, dey go.
Na that side where you go now, that food side, now make I carry this thing go sell you.
No, you for no go sell am. Make you hear when for hunger hard for this house. Nice sense.
Mommy, na me they call nice sense because of this ordinary groundnut.
No, pikin wetin say him and dem mama na age mate. No be nice sense e be. Abeg carry this groundnut dey go. I make sure say you finish am before you come back. Oh.
I don't hear. Give me money for keke.
What do you want use keke do now? Person where they sell, no be leg when they take the waka. They shout buy groundnut. Now for inside keke you go sell groundnut.
Give me money for pure water.
Mary, I no get your time, lie. Carry this groundnut go sell. Oh. If you sell, collect money there buy pure water now. Make they go. See, they don't break now. All the customers go waka go home. Abeg, carry am. Make sure say you finish am before you come back to this house. Oh, you don't hear me? Watching on kitten. You don't become deaf and dumb. No talk. Carry am come back here. No go eat.
Hey! Look at you. One full pot of Indomie. Is this how I'm going to continue with these boys? These boys must die today. Who told them that they cannot die? After all, they were some heroes in history who saw themselves invincible and indestructible. But they're all dead today. If they could all die, who is Kake and Leather? I mean, people like Alexander the Great, the king of Macedonia, who conquered 4 quarters of the world. People like Napoleon Bonaparte, a general at the age of 24. He carried out the first coup in the world. What about Hannibal, the Carthaginian general, who humiliated Rome? Where is he today? What of even the first president of America? He led them in the War of Independence. Where is he today? He was first in war. He was first in peace. He was first in the heart of his countrymen. Where is he today? Saddam Hussein. Where is he today? I think they all died. If they could all die, then these boys must die here today. They will die. Nobody is invincible. Nobody is indestructible. If all those men could die, who is the Kake and Leather? We shall see.
Kaki and the leather. Kaki and the leather. These 2 children, they give Wahala. Their second name, not trouble.
Okay, thanks, Urado. Yes, sir. But for flock, our nya should in Koboko. Yes, sir. But not forget say, Palago stick flock as again because God shut and never die. So what do you go to? I don't get planned. Kaki get done. Kaki amazing. Kaki. Oh, Kaki. We'll go to the team for that to go happen. Yes, we'll go. Because you know you Mary first. Finally, I signed it on land. For you. Okay, let's see Mary. I see Mary when I chapter. Okay, no shop granite. I want shop granite, but I get the money to pay. No, me say one play game. Okay, which kind of game be that? Watch and see.
Granat.
Don't do for problem.
Granat.
Come and see Africa, Mary. Come and see Africa, Mary. Come and see Africa. Come and see Mary. Come and see Mary.
Hey, you do make una Holland there. Wait till una come and say una wan buy granite or be una wan play. Which kind play be this one now?
Mary, what's by the verse now? No, would that be for you so I fight you?
I beg I no want time. Make I go sell my hokere.
Come, Mary, wait now.
Waiting now.
We won't play game with you now. What's me the best? Ask Kakaki to tell the game.
Which kind of game? Make una talk am.
Oh yeah, wait. If you win us, we will give you 2,000. Mary. Hey. Mary, Africa, Mary.
You go give me how much?
2,000.
Ready. Which kind of game? Tell me.
This game now, build and stick.
Huh?
Build and stick.
Yeah. If I win, 2,000.
But if us we win, you go give us one cup of granite. Yes. You agree?
Yeah.
Like a player.
Oh yeah. What's in the game be?
Where's your blood? It's a blue.
Hey! Hey! Shh! Why are you looking? You see? Look at my granite.
You can take my life to take now. Wait now.
Looky.
You know if you help person self. At least what do I do for you? Give my plate.
Hey, your kaki dey poo. See am, e dey come out.
Bring for me so that I can fit tire. Okay. Hey, I really this.
What you dey do? You don't buy nylon be that oh.
So we go manage am. Wait, make I put am for you. Get there.
You see, you don't tear them. Collect another one.
Oh, Mary, waterproof now who could say.
You talk I sound you.
What you talk? I bet first one. So now wash up your can first. DJ Mary. Now the game don't start, oh yeah.
No, waiting be the game.
Let's stick this. Give us stick. I think says I will play a game.
Look at my granite.
Maybe my carry one granite. Yeah, jump. Like I think says I will play a game. No worry.
We go plan.
Play your granite go finish. Take see your okay, really take. I take say wait. Okay. This game now you go first of all.
Mwa eleke. Kumaka ji egwu. If I don't decimate them today with this my cutlass, just call me Oluko. They must go and meet their mother in the great beyond today. You know what? Huh? No, but
Mazeleke. Good afternoon.
Terry, how are you?
No. Don't spoil my swag. Call me Hot Terry.
Hot again.
Hot Terry.
Yeah. Anyway, you are welcome. How are you?
No, call me Hot Terry.
Oh, Hot to Terry.
I'm blushing.
Oh, it is too much.
Why in the sharp cutlass? No kick out.
I want to kill somebody. Yes.
Want to kill somebody? I mean one kill.
No.
I mean somebody.
No.
Hey!
No, Terry.
Hey!
Terry!
What?
Come back. It's not you I want to kill.
Huh?
Not you.
Life where they sweet me. Who are both Terry. Hey! Which coffee one size me?
Terry,
Hey!
Terry, come back now.
Hey!
Chai. Eleke, you need a wife. And a wife you must get. Yes, now, I cannot be father and mother at the same time. There must be division of Ivedi. And it just remember no. Kaina agagode. Aganu Gajina.
I no play again.
No play again now. After Carol, money to give person. Exactly.
No play. My granite. My mama go kill me. Now she get this granite.
That's all your concern.
These two children, they give wahala.
If you
Their second name, not trouble. Kaki, and the leather. Kaki, and the leather. Kaki, leather. Khaki and leather, not too small shit. Where there's a boy anus, they weather the way. Now which kind children be this year? They will have it cause you heart attack you if you go. I think they say khaki no be leather. I think they say khaki no be leather. Come and see khaki.
Lasky. My guy, father. Collect now.
Which kind of wahala be this?
What happened? No be tea where I manage organize. Say the thing just throw away. How manage the tea take throw away now? No be this my stupid leg. Make I just cross and go to the other side now, so you just kick the tea throw away like Maradona.
Hey! Now wow. You not get any other tea for house?
I no get.
This one why I do so? I know as I take manage organizer.
Ah wow.
This thing now.
You get water inside house?
I get water.
Now what you go do? Go bring water. You go use water organizer. Go bring water now. No they do that kind of thing, eh? Go bring water.
No touch this bread.
I no go touch am. Alaska. Go carry your spoon. Louisiana.
Chocho, you come our area.
I do.
How far?
I do fine. I do like daily.
I've been here Alaska voice. Where is it?
Alaska voice, I go bring water. Yes.
Okay. Alaska. Oh, he's here. Alaska. Waka now. What's happened? I need to see you. It's very, very urgent.
Okay.
You dey go with the bread?
We go leave him for you. He needs to safeguard the bread. Rather, mama.
Okay.
I better hurry up, oh. Why they look me like that?
No.
No, sir.
Oh, yes.
Hurry now. Hurry up.
Okay.
Okay, go. Let's go.
Chocho, I dey come.
Anyhow. You see wetin my eye see for this bread, I must chop am by force. I go wait, you go come back, I go chop this bread.
Hey! Hey, stop there!
Auntie, what's happening now? Why be say you like to control us? I be police, eh?
What you for that nylon?
Nothing.
You know go fit comot whole nylon say nothing dey inside. We are talking from don't go do bad again.
Auntie, your own name is.
You dey question me?
Wait, I tell you. Now you first question us, eh? Something else go come question you too. Yes, that is called draw. Yes.
If I jam una two together, eh? If I jam her together, I be your mate. I be like una mate. Eh? I'll talk when I go talk. I be una mate.
Auntie, why they do like say he be Ben Johnson?
No, na father.
What's your father?
He won't kill person.
Jesus. Where you working?
You dey ask me? I don't know. In the sharp cutlass for house. You see the cutlass? No worry. My hand not there. Oh. Mother, no worry. When I go house, go meet her.
Tell us where you working.
I don't know.
Thank you for this information. But don't mention.
Hewele! Out of two things, one must happen today. The stubborn fly will lie with the corpse in the grave today. It is today that we know that Eleke does not joke. I think they will come back here and meet me. Even if they don't come today, I'm ready to wait till tomorrow. So they will come today or tomorrow. I'm ready for them.
Yeah. Eleke. Where are those boys?
Which boys?
Your sons, Kake na leather.
They are the ones I'm waiting to kill with this my cutlass. They are the ones I'm waiting. Because I want to kill them with this.
What did they do to you that you want to waste them like that?
Ibebiko, are you sure that I am the father of those children? Those devils.
Eleke, I am supposed to be the one asking you to confirm if you are actually the father of those urchins. I have come here to inform you that those boys have been going to harvest my mangoes without my permission, and I have decided to track them down like rabbits and rats, and to deal with them severely.
Please, Ibe, because you see those boys, if you catch them, if you trap them, whatever you can do, pour acid, do whatever you can do on them, I will support you. Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Thank you for the permission. Oh.
Yeah. Because come on, my logo work both to me. What kind of what? Hey, mbano. We can't continue like this.
Yes. See. I dey fear. It as if my heart dey beat. Keep. You need a fear. You need a fear. I don't know because of Pale. Exactly. More like the beat like this. More like the beat. Keep. Like the hug the one inside. Hey. So what you go do? We go cut grass and I go fit type on the mouse. Wait. Oh. If it say you cut grass, type Papa the mouth, I will go see him. No, we go tie the grass. Times not tie him out. Don't finish. Yes, if you tie him out, don't tie. Tie the grass, don't tie. Yeah. Yes, sense. So we go to that thing fast. Yes, we need to go to fast. Carry grass. Plug grass. Plug. Come on, guys, take this one first. Okay, tie him out. If you not green, go green. No, fit. Yeah, pick it up. Tie him out. See. See, it's time to go. See, I just say, man, don't tie you. That's the way Paula actually say, what do you copy for life? We come down and say, we copy dancer. Yes. Paula come to say, oh, fine, dead body. Yes, sir. I've been 9 leg go take it like this. Oh, something dancing now. See something you do like this. See, so we need to go walk here for house. Yes, sir. So we need to dance. What? Yes, so let me even get our legs. Just like all the blood. Move your my brother.
Tomorrow no more. Today. Tomorrow no more. If I had not get today, they go die no more. Today. Tomorrow no more. If I not get today, I go pound them no more. Today. Tomorrow no more. If I pound them today, they go die no more. Today. Tomorrow no more.
Chocho, you still there here?
Which kind of question be that? No, which kind of question be that? I don't discuss with you carry me come before you go ask me say I still there here.
Not true. No verse. You say na wetin carry you come this morning?
Now, Lansky, I don't see say you no want make I partake from this your largesse. You carry bread go lock for inside. You no know say I will see na him go chop. You go bring that bread, we go chop am together. Oh. Yes, you go bring that, go chop am.
Come. Now me invite you come my house to come chop breakfast.
Okay. Last you don't insult me. You have insulted me now. Falling hand don't enter the matter now. But if na my own, you go open this your small mouth. They beg me, use that chop and finish. Lansky, go bring that bread. Come outside.
No be bread you want chop.
Lansky, go bring this bread. Come outside.
I dey come make I bring am.
Wisdom boy. Over sense. I bet I go finish am, man. Do sharp, oh. No go there waka like say you no wan give me. Hey, Lasky. That's. Hey, fine boy. Come on, bring this bread. Okay, lam. Hey, Labi, there is the play. You want give me only communion? I go use my hand cut with and one chop. What will be that one? You want finish the bread? If you touch me, Matumakana, I slap you. I break your hand. Look at this boy, yo.
Come here. Put your head make I break her. Come now. We're not going to run tire. No wahala. I must catch you now. We're not going to run tire.
These two children, they give wahala.
Yeah, 1 year. As you see me now, and what I'm joy. Obi lewa mo. So I don't want you and your foolish daughter to come and add your salt to my injury. See those boys, If you catch them, behead them, and I will not take you to court.
Now you be their papa, So therefore, now you go pay for the committing they have committed.
Yeah. So if dog eat shit, goat will come and suffer from tooth decay. Because take your foolish daughter and get out of my sight. Do I look like kake and leather? Do I look like them? Come on.
So now waiting you talk with this.
Yes.
You open your mouth talk like this.
Okay, now. Get them from here before.
Mary, don't give us license to kill him pieces. Make we they go.
Get them from here. Look at them. Foolish woman and foolish daughter.
Mary itibari bankeki, on a meggy fair. Common sense, if I can when keki melody level. Anything what they tell you, now so you they follow. If your papa blow grammar, you carry pot to cover your head. Also lose English, you carry pot to take a cover. If your papa blow grammar, you carry pot to cover your head. Also lose you carry pot to take a cover. Mary Nkanka, I'm gonna be a lily one child. Mary Nkanka, I'm gonna be a lily one child.
Why you do face the person when she shit for bush? You see shit?
My sister, no be those useless sons of Elek. Why to feed the granite? Why give my daughter to go sell for me?
Oh, so with the complaint of their stubbornness, that one no reach. They don't see active in join now.
You don't see them now.
I know Wahala. You see me like this, so eh? Now their papa has to go. You see this bisu? Come to have the head. I don't do okay. Once they die, I don't they fine.
Good. Very, very good. See, make sure say you break their head though.
Yes, so.
Make we they go. I go come meet you after later. You hear?
You don't wish me good luck.
Terry, good luck. Oh. Safe journey.
Safe journey.
Mary, make we they go.
You don't wish me good luck.
I say safe journey now. Bye bye.
This is me I go fear. Who sigh? Don't smart to do. Who that be?
Mommy, you don't tire.
Come on, shut up your mouth. Now because of your iberiberism, now make we dey suffer this calamation. Now the boys don't disappear.
Che.
Wetin be Che?
You say they don't disappear. But how they go take disappear now? They be spirit.
Mumu. Now because of this your mumu, now make no man dey ask for your hand for marriage.
Na my fault. They chasing them and they disappearing up and down.
Bia Mary.
Mommy.
It's again. You dey chase them. Chase them go where now?
I know if you talk I'm outside, they shaming me for mouth.
Bia Mary.
Mommy.
Has any man touched your...
Plenty men they touching it and they run away.
Chai! Mary.
Mommy.
Men they Hey!
Mommy.
Men they touch it. Men they
We are soldiers, ready for the battle. In the name of science, we go conquer. We are soldiers, fighting for the battle. In the name of science, we will conquer. We are soldiers.
Shana! Bloody civilian.
Thank you, don't mention.
So what brings you back to the house of the old soldier?
I come to murder. Yes. I come to kill those your bed bug. I want fleet them. Oh. Call the come outside.
Oh, that makes us one. One man, one woman. I have my cutlass. You have your pistol, alias Akodo. So you knock them unconscious while I cut them into pieces.
I be collabo now.
Yes.
I be collabo.
Where is the cutlass? I left it there. I left it here, ready for business.
What happened?
As you were coming, did you by any means see any cutlass walking out of this compound?
Now, man or woman cutlass?
Male cutlass, if that is what you understand.
Hey, they ask me. Why you gonna ask me that kind of question?
No, because I left my cutlass here, but I can't find it anymore.
You should use your cutlass. You don't concern me. Oh. Call those bed bugs, come and fleet them.
Oh, good. That's no problem. You know what? If you come to somebody's house you sit down and allow the person to serve you cola nuts. So drop this your weapon of mass distraction while I go and get you cola nuts.
May not be say you want to scam me.
Not at all. Not at all. Do I look a scammer? Drop your weapon. Sit down. Let me get you cola nuts. Tell you.
No, they call me hot Terry.
Oh, hot Terry.
I'm bloating.
Let me bring cola nut for you. Yes, relax. Hot Terry.
Mas may not be say you want to scam me. No say I take care of the air food.
See, later, Mama dey tell me say this machete wey we carry so, look for am. No worry, we don't give Pale Africa wonder. No fear, man. But me I dey fear. Why? Because now, if Pale notice I say no, let's take this machete. Papa go jack me, turn me to pepper soup. No fear now. Let me eat the wrong things, kata. Let me eat the wrong things. Let me do now. No worry. But I don't fit carry soup per soup. I have seen a frog. Frog didn't keep person. What the? It's like you didn't fear palekeno. See you. See, Mate. Maybe you carry grass like this. Tie am. You don't believe on your tie. You want for mad now. See, I tell you say, I mean, maybe I don't lose my faith. I tell you I don't lose my faith. Now you bring this mouth tying business, don't worry now. I'm gonna chop the carrot and go. If the mouth tie no work, we go find what to go to. No checking. You could shock me. But me I dey fear. Why? It made a fear.
Instead of these children to be dancers, I just use them for money ritual.
If that's not what they like, say they can't life do. That mean they are ambition. You don't get choice now.
Which kind what they like? Can those spring of a tiger eat grass?
Mazi, you never know how far. Tiger go chop grass where? No say hunger no get conscience. Hunger no get conscience. If better hunger beat am, him go chop grass. You know say grass na vitamin. Him go take grass whole belle waiting for the main food.
No member of my family has been an Ajasco. So none of my children can be that. That would be a disgrace now.
Well, then Ajasco. Anyone at all where they want be. May they carry on.
Mbana. That would be a big disgrace to me. Hey, it's like the way you are enjoying this cola, Oh my God. You are enjoying the thing so much. Are you sure this will be enough for you?
Sure to give me so. God, because of this cola, I forgive them. Even their next sin, where they commit, I forgive them. That's all. I don't kill them again. What?
Go home.
Go waiting for home.
I said go home. Look, I offered you this cola because you plan to kill my sons for me. But now that you have changed your mind about killing them, I've also changed my mind over offering you cola.
No. I know what I'll kill them. And they promise you, I know where I go down. I go join their head together.
Agreement is agreement.
What is it? Hey! Come here! Hey! I'm robber!
Mary,
Mommy.
make you tell me, how many men don't chop this your tanta?
Mommy, I don't know wetin they talk. Wetin be tanta?
Hey! Pretender do the worst I say. Mary, you won't deny?
You dey talk now, eh? You dey shaming me, I no do anything. You dey shaming me.
Okay. All the ma, so bad. You no do anything.
I mean, you dey shaming me. You dey shaming me.
What is happening? What's the sin of my daughter that she is on her knees?
Papa, no.
Shut up! Shut up your mouth there. Anuboko, my husband.
Yes.
You know, this our daughter, Mary.
I don't know, tell me.
She dey share this hantanta to all the gentlemen.
What?
Wait there for this village.
Mary!
Papa, na lie.
Shut up! Shut up! No be you use this your mouth. Where they like for a shit where fowl eat. Tell me say you dey just all the mess, many mess, and those many mess don't touch you. No be wetin you talk.
Mary, is it true? Jesus Christ of Nazareth, King of the Jews and eventually that of the whole wide world. Where and when? I said where and when?
Papa, when I dey sleep for my dream.
Your dream?
Yes, Papa.
Mary.
Hey!
Oh yeah, stand up.
Hey,
Stand
there's
up.
nothing I will not see.
So, now for dream those men that touch you. Eh? Hey.
When I dey sleep, when they pray for me from head, when they pray for me,
Hey.
touch me.
Now listen to me, Agatha. Whenever you are treating a matter, do your analysis very well. Now look at it, concerning an oniric matter. There's something that happens in a dream that you are punishing my daughter in real life. Huh? Now listen to me very well. Aga. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
Good. I say again, listen to me, because I know you are not as old as you will start suffering from presbycusis. According to the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, false accusation is a grievous offense. But this is an in-house matter. So I'm going to forgive you, and I hope my daughter is going to do the same if you do the right thing. But go, repent, sin no more, but most importantly, you must apologize to my daughter pronto!
Thank you for the bonvita. Don't mention Papa.
Which bonvita? Hi, ignorance is a pathetic case.
Mommy, apologize to me. Mary, apologize to Mary.
Me, Agatha, apologize to you. Nice sense. I don't apologize anything. Don't apologize.
Papa! Papa!
Here.
I dare you. Where? I dare you. Come close. Come, oh. I don't hook. Hey! No, they shall do something, I beg. Do something, oh. Hey, it won't spoil my beauty, oh. Wait, oh. How did you manage? No, they're speaking. We must do something now. Where do I start now? Eh? Oh, my neck. Wait. Stop now, good hand. I'm trying to strategize and machinate on how to attack your predicament. Eh? Wait. Stop this, so you didn't do that. Go, help me. My neck. Hey, where are these Fulefu children? Oh, they won't spoil my beauty, oh. Kake. Leather. Oh, mama. Good children. Abubakar brothers.
Come. Come, Oro now.
Jesus, hey!
Oro please come and help me. Unstuff Tentere from her predicament.
How much? Papa, pay before service.
You know I go pay. You know Wahala, 15 naira. I go pay. I go pay on a cash. I beg.
There, 15 naira. You go there.
Are you the offspring of Judas Iscariot? Please help her out of that place. Then you charge her for services.
We no go money for you.
Okay,
I keep going go.
Wait. Put children.
You go stay here.
How much would I want? How much?
10,000 naira ish. If you don't pay, you leave out.
10,000 again. For asking for 10,000 naira.
They sell me, say, I never read 10,000. If they sell me, I don't read that price.
Can it be 10,000?
Hey, man, tell them.
Just help. She will pay.
Kaki, we could go out.
No, come.
If you walk out on me, I will disfather both of you. What's your problem? Are you the offspring of Judas Iscariot?
Mazi, pet these lovely children now.
Mary. I don't beg you for forgiveness now. Make you forgive and forget, Kwano.
No, I no go do am. You go pay me for vexing allowance before I go forgive and forget.
Hey! The work on the hand GC cotton beacon. Now what I cause? Mary. So you want your mama to pay you money for forgiveness?
No. You know what you cause. You know the damage you damage me. With that thing where you talk, even before Papa.
Exactly. Aga, in law, what you did is what we call character assassination.
God again. I bet leave me and my daughter alone. Not come here cause spoil matter for us. This place no be government office, make I tell you.
Is that how you want to bury the matter or sweep it under the carpet?
Leave me and my daughter alone. Biko.
I see. In that case, I rest my advocacy. Mary, it is your word against hers.
Mary. So what do you talk?
Nothing my papa talk, now I talk.
So, now what do your papa talk?
Nothing my papa talk, now I talk.
What do your papa talk now?
Advocacy, pay me.
Here. I think see what I talk now. This man don't come spoil matter here. Pata. Bia. Papa Mary. I beg, come repair the matter where you spoil. Come see what you spoil for here. Come and repair.
Mama, advocacy. Pay me.
Sorry, my dear.
Madam, we said that was for our money now.
Nancy, which money be down?
The 10,000 naira now.
How much?
10,000.
What?
For the rest you paid now.
Yeah?
But what to take this our power like this, our strength like this. You push her like this. I know how much she pays.
So wait, man give her to 10,000.
Yes, now.
Even in the next 5 years, 12 na worth 10,000. Share 12 na no say na 12 na I find come.
Yes, so
No be 12 na I find come.
I've almost forgotten that they are still owing me some bulala servicing. Or pepper soup cut up. Where is that my cutlass?
No be 12 na no be 12 na cause am. No be na cause am.
See am. If you sabi wetin you spoil, make you repair am. Repair am now.
What offense have I committed again?
You dare ask me? Advocacy now.
Beg your pardon?
No beg my pardon, no. No beg my pardon anything. Now Mary here you go dey beg him pardon. because na in the verse. And don't go because of that advocacy thing where you talk.
What? I don't understand you. What is the meaning of advocating and or whatever thing you call it?
No be whatever you call it, oh. See the wahala where you cause. For the small matter where me and my daughter they talk. Now maybe you gotta beg him pardon, no. No be me. I beg.
Oh my God. Illiteracy is surely a serious disease. You see where I say both of you must go back to school. You must go to school so that we can all play on the same level ground.
We dey talk about the advocacy where you talk. Now you can't call us illiteracy on top join.
Oh, see? Papa, what do you call us?
My daughter did not call you anything. It is your mother here who has been misquoting, misinterpreting, misunderstanding, and misinforming herself. Why should you do a thing like that? You see, look, this your illiteracy. I mean, he's crossing the red line. He's getting out of... Mary, what is that supposed to mean?
Papa, is it a port element for protection?
Holy Mary.
Papa, I did here now. Why they call me?
Both of you must go to school, whether you like it or not. I can't continue to have both of you around me wallowing in a crass analphabetism. I can't have it. Never.
Hey.
Support.
Mary. Mommy. Hey. Mary.
Mommy.
Give me. See, make you come carry another groundnut to go sell. If you see those thiefing sons of Eleke, make you run, oh. Run for your life. No, sir, no tell you.
Yes,
Aya, come. What?
Yes, mommy.
Oh my, your papa with you. Oyibo.
Mary itibari bankegi one megi fe. Common sense begi name when keki melody level. Anything what they tell you, now so you they follow them. If your papa blow grammar, you carry pot to cover your head. Also look English, you carry pot to take it cover. If your papa blow grammar, you carry pot to cover your head. Also look Oyibo, you carry pot to take it cover.
Why are you walking along the road and carrying this cake?
My brother, you say, they say if your legs do not attract trouble for you, your clothes will. I don't know how the gods decided to punish me with these rascals they call my son.
Eleke, do not allow those boys to send you to the land beyond before it is your time. I seriously suggest that you go and find another wife and get married to that wife so that they can have a mother, because that is what I think they are lacking.
Hey. You suggest I get another wife,
No.
Hey, but how can I get one? You know, all the girls are drifting towards Sodom and Gomorrah. I can find one. That's my problem.
Eleke, I know that there are still good ones you can find. The good ones you can find. Is this how you are going to be running around with these boys? From pillar to post, from corner to this one? One day you will just fall somewhere and die.
Hey, God forbid. It will not happen. Instead, these boys will die. God will delete them for me. Yes.
Okay.
But did you by any means see them along the road as you were coming?
No. I saw Terry wobbling along with a wooden person.
Then the boys must be located in that area.
Know.
Hey, come, let me go and deal with them.
Kaki and the leather. Kaki and the leather. These two children, they give Wahala. Their second name, not trouble. Khaki and the leather. 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 Khaki leather. Khaki leather. Khaki leather. Khaki and the leather. Khaki and leather. Na too small shit. Where there's a boy anus. Nekwefa ndiwe. Now which kind children be this year? They will have it cause attack you if you go qua.
Attention! Hey! Easy.
You may inadvertently force her to do something wrong.
Oh, abeg o, make I ask. Wetin I do? Mary never reach adult age. See, make I tell you, na so my mama dey remind me sotey I come marry. Abi you wan marry your daughter? Eh?
Will you shut up? Huh? Have you gone bananas? How can you even think about something like that? Huh? Does a man marry his daughter? Or do you want me to commit incest?
Oh, I don't know wetin I do you. Make you leave me alone o.
Talk of the devil, he appears.
Mama! Mama, praise the Lord!
Hallelujah!
Mama, I don't see.
Agatha.
Mama, I don't see.
Agatha. What is wrong with your daughter?
Yeah.
And you are joining her to dance or to music. I don't know whether it's spirit that is beating for you.
Wetin you want make I do? No be me and you dey here. Abeg make you ask her wetin dey make her happy now.
Mary,
Papi,
what is wrong with you?
Chai.
Why are you happy like this? What have you seen?
Papi, that's the way my mama dey always dey tell me. Papi, I don't see am. Papi, Jesus, thank you. Really. I thank you. I thank you, really. Jesus, I thank you, really. I thank you, really. I thank you, really. I thank you, really. Hey, I thank you,